Changes coming to South La Crosse as the city has begun cleaning up Houska Park after the unsheltered population living there has now evacuated the area. News 19's Bowen Kadrovich was at the cleanup today to learn a little bit more about the future for Houska Park.
The La Crosse Parks and Recreation Department leading the coordination of cleaning up Houska Park. The city using ARPA money to help fund the project, gathering what is left behind to be sent to the La Crosse County landfill, while staying prepared for any potential hazards.
Leading up to this event, while wearing proper PPE, what the day of procedures are going to look like, and what kind of safety procedures are going to be in place.
The city posted an eviction notice in February, then again early March for the people still staying at the park. City officials say they've had consistent outreach with those living in the park to help direct them to resources.
The number one priority is housing, and we have that shortage of housing. When we talk about all things related to people experiencing homelessness, it comes down to housing, and so we always want to try to connect people to housing first. That's not always a possibility, so we're trying to help connect people to other shelter spots that are available as well.
Sandy Brecky with Gunderson Health Systems says that the nurses and physicians in the street medicine program oftentimes see unstable mental health cases, adding that it is difficult to treat and connect people to counselors with many hurdles to jump.
Step one is we have to get people off of the streets. We have so many barriers when people are on the streets surviving out in the elements. You know, there's exposure to cold and rain and snow and all the extremes in temperatures. Exposure to violence, exposure to substance use. So all of the things that need to be addressed for any kind of mental health is a really contributing factor out on the streets.
City officials say moving forward, Houska Park will be restored. However, it will not be used as a campground in the future. Reporting from La Crosse, this is Bowen Kadrovich, News 19.
All right, thanks, Bowen. And Houska Park is closed to the public currently. The city says it will engage in another round of cleanup as the snow melts.